Hello everyone. This video is about my recently purchased IP camera. I've purchased this to monitor my workplace. Sometime, I leave my workplace leaving my PC and other electronics component on. So, I think it's an ideal option for this regard. Now, let's unbox the camera and see what else comes with it. Inside the box, there are some user manuals, and a sticker given for making screw hole perfectly. There is also a box given with the camera, which contains a power adapter, and camera mounting components. Looks like the power cable is quite long, and it's a micro USB cable. Now, let's open it. Moving on to the next components, there are some screws, double-sided foam tape, and a metal plate given for camera mounting. Now, let's see the power adapter. Looks like the power adapter delivers 1 amps of current and 5 volts. It can take 100 to 240 volts of AC current. Now, let's see the camera. Looks like the camera is heavily packed. One thing I like most of this camera is its minimalistic design. I've decided to place the camera on my computer desk. It looks very good on my desk. Moreover, this small device provides many good features. It can record and transmit 1080p HD video with audio. It uses micro SD card to store data, and supports maximum 256 GB of memory card. It has a built-in speaker, and a microphone, which allows two-way talk. Moreover, it provides good quality video in the dark, but not that much good as I expected. Its 131 degrees diagonal field of view allows oversight of an entire room. There are also other functionalities given like built-in siren, abnormal sound alarm, and human detection. Its powerful image processing technology quickly finds human targets in images, and immediately sends a notification to your smartphone. It can detect abnormal sounds like babies cry. But I've never tested this functionality. Anyway, overall quality of this camera is good. This camera costs only $31, and within this price range, we're getting features like human detection, and abnormal sound detection, which is very impressive. If you're thinking to buy a budget IP camera for indoor use, I think this camera is an ideal choice. That's all for now, thank you for watching. Stay innovative.